All right, so special thanks to this company who is nice enough to send us their 2-pack set of solar motion sensor lights. Now, nothing to really show you around the box here. Just got your sticker on top, 100 LED motion step patio lights, 2-pack. And let's take a look at them. So we have screws, of course, for mounting them. And then light number 1 and 2. That's it for the box. We have a nice little instruction guide here telling you everything you need to know. And then, of course, you have your 2 lights. So little company logo there. Here's your motion sensor and your 100 LEDs. Have a nice solar panel on top that is able to recharge the battery for you. You just set this thing in the sun, let it charge up, and when you walk in front of it, it'll cut on for you. There is a little power on off switch here, and then this one is completely identical. Let me try to take these outside, let them get some sun, and I'll show you exactly what these look like at nighttime. All right, so now we're gonna take these outside and wall mount them. First thing, there's a little piece of plastic film on top of the solar panel. Remove that. Then use this included pin to press inside here 1 time. You'll feel it click like a physical button. There's literally only the 1 mode. There's on and then there's off. And so that is it. So now we're gonna go out, we're gonna use our screws and get these mounted, and then I'll show you what they look like tonight. And I've installed these 2 solar lights, one right here and the other one right there. So tonight we'll show you what these look like. Here is the bright 2-pack. There's light 1, and right up here as I walk up is light number 2. These put off a ton of light. Absolutely love how bright they are. If you were to put these high enough up, anybody walks in front of them, they'll go off like this, and you'll have a nice spotlight on them to see them. So thanks again to the company for sending me this 2-pack of bright solar LED lights. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.